Hey, what's up, guys? This is Daniel Ryan back here with Daily Garage Adventures. So, got Ryan over here doing spark plug change on a 08 Gold Wing, and about to tear down this little Z125 Pro, little Kawasaki. Gonna do the oil change. So, what you guys are gonna need? You just need a ratchet, just a short extension, just 3/8. We got a 17 millimeter for the oil bolt. And then you're gonna need an 8 mil for the oil filter. And to start, we'll need this little 5 mil Allen just to take off the cover here, all right? So we'll get you guys set up and we'll get rolling. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side, all right? All right. Next thing, guys, just take your oil pan, slide it right under there. I'll grab this, grab your 17 mil socket, come over, see if I can get you guys set up with a good angle here. All right, guys, after that, you got your oil filter gonna be right in here. You guys are gonna take your little extension. You'll take an 8 mil. They're just diagonal. There's only 2 bolts. So just take them off, just loosen them a little bit, let the oil drain out into the pan before you take it all the way off. And that's how you get to that. So we actually won't be doing the oil filter today. We change the oil so frequently in this thing that oil filter that's in there is probably no more than 4 weeks old. So we just stay up to date on the oil. So let this drain all the way out. We'll put the plug back in and load her back up. So you guys take this out. They recommend on the forums to change the O-ring. We've had pretty good luck. We just use the same one. So all right, go ahead and put the plug back in. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off any excess oil you got anywhere in case it drips. You want to burn it off. That'll smell lovely. All right, so now ready to pour the oil in. So since we didn't do the oil filter, it should take a little less than a quart. So go right over here. So when you guys if you don't have a stand or anything to put it on, just make sure when you're draining the oil, just try to grab the bike and just lift it upright. That way it sits flat and you allow all the oil to drain. So all right, then you're gonna come over here to the other side. So you got your loader up with oil right here. All right, so she does have a little dipstick on it. There's 3 dots on there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So go ahead and load her up. Set this to the side for a second. And we'll go ahead and grab a funnel. All right, now we got our funnel in. Go ahead and give her some oil. So remember that we didn't do the oil filter, so we're going to be a little under a quart here. We're running the 10W40. She gets a lot of ride time, so change it frequently. Go ahead, get our rag. All right, guys, so you guys are checking the oil. You gotta have the bike standing up straight, obviously. So. Dry her off. So again, you got the 3 dots right there. Try to dry it off as much as you can, that way you guys can see a little better. Just take her back out. So I don't know if you guys can see, we're right at that 2nd dot, a little above it, but still under the 3rd, so we're exactly where we want to be. So after that, you guys are done. Go ahead, throw her back in. Alright, so what's going to happen next, I'm going to go get the key, we'll fire her up, and after she runs for a little bit, we'll go ahead and check the oil one more time. Get rid of the old oil, just wipe off any dirt or grime we achieved along the way. We'll take our little 5mm Allen wrench, we'll put that little guard back on, and we're ready to roll. Go ahead, chill out and jump. So you guys go ahead, just put them on loose. That way you can get them all in before cranking them down. We ain't got to backtrack and loosen them back up. After you've got them all in, you can go ahead and start with the wrench and tighten them down. Also, I'll be the same size. Leaks so far. So again, you just pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off. Alright, make sure you guys don't lose. There is a little O-ring right there. Make sure you don't knock it out of there. Alright, so we're still we're above the 2nd, still under the 3rd, so she's ready to ride. Alright guys, so that's how you change the oil on a 2018. Got a Z125 Pro. Went over the oil filter, so you guys got any questions, go ahead and comment below. About finished up here. You guys will see a lot more content on this 2008 Goldwing, that's for sure. So you guys stay tuned. We'll catch y'all later.